this lesson, I want to go over why you need to take this course. If you're looking to build a website to sell your products online, maybe you have an idea to sell something and you just don't know where to begin, and you're trying to figure out about web hosting, the type of products you need to sell, and you're confused. You don't know what to do. Well, this course is going to help give you a lot of clarity that you need to take your next steps. Or maybe you've started to build a store and the software that you're using is so frustrating, you're confused, you don't know what to do, you can't get support. Well, not with this one. You are going to learn how to do this. You're going to build it, and if you need support, you're going to get the support as well. But here's some of the incredible features that are part of this store, okay? So when you use Dokan, you have marketplace with independent stores. That means that you are in control. Think of it again, as I mentioned in the start, of having a shopping center. Everyone that comes there, they can sell in your shopping center and you get a profit off of it. If you already use WooCommerce, which is another plugin for WordPress, you can be able to integrate the themes right there. You have a front end dashboard for your vendors and your customers. So if you want to have control over the type of store that you're building, if you want to have control over who can sell in your store, this is going to help you to do that. Okay, and you earn from each sale as the owner. You earn money from there. This is a great way to generate money right now, that even if you don't create a store on your own website, you can make money from people selling directly on your store. So if you want to get your site up and going, okay, and you don't want to spend the several thousands, listen, I'm a web designer. I've been doing web design for a long time. And if you had to hire someone like myself to build it, it's going to cost you several thousands of dollars to build it, you know. And one of the things that a lot of students reach out to me, Matthew, I want to build a store, but I don't have the money. You know, I don't have the expertise. I don't have the skill set. It's so complicated. Not this time. And I guarantee you, at the end of this course, you're going to build the most beautiful website you've ever built. And you're going to make a lot of money because you allow other people to sell on your site. Plain and simple.